Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna solve a real nice problem. So we have as a fact that a raised to the power x equals to b to the power of y equals to c to the power of z, and b raised to the square equals to a times c. And we must show that y equals to the fraction of 2xz over x plus z. Let's start to see how we can solve it. We take this equation and we start from here. So we have b to the second power equals with a times c. We raise both sides with y, so we have b to the second power raised to y equals to a times c to the y power. From the laws of the exponents, we have that right here, so we can see it. Have that a number a raised to the power m and all of this power n equals to a power m times n. This equals to a power n and all of this raised to power m. So here we have that b and all of this can write raised to the 2y equals to a times c and all of this raised to the power of y. Moving over, we can switch these places and we can write b raised to the power of y and all of this to the square equals, here we use another law of the exponents, so we have that two numbers a and b raised to a power, let's say m, equals to a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of m. So this we can write it as a power of y times c to the power of y. Here we substitute b raised to the power of y with a raised to the power x from this equation. So we write this as a to the power of x and all of this raised to the second. And the other side we leave it as it is for now. Moving over, we can write a raised to the power of 2x equals to a raised to the power of y times c raised to the power of y. Here we raise both sides to the z power. So we have a and all of this the 2x power and all of this raised to the z equals to a to the y power times c to the y power, and all this to the z power. Here, with the same properties of powers, you can write it, draw a line here, write that a raised to the power of 2x z equals, we splitting this, so we have a raised to the power of y and all of this to the power of z times c raised to the power of y and all of this times power of z. Moving over, so we have a raised to the 2xz power equals 2a raised to the yz power times c the yz power. We have to get rid of c, and we know that c raised to the z power equals to a to the x power. So we can write this as a raised to the 2xz equals 2a the yz power times c to the z power and then to the y power. This is equals to a raised to the x, so we have a raised to the 2xz equals a to the yz times a x raised to the x raised to the y. So from here, write this again, it's not changing, equals so now here we have the same basis, different exponents, so we're going to use this property. It says a raised to the m power times a raised to the n power equals to a raised to the m plus n power. So this becomes a raised to the yz power times xy power, and this becomes a to the 2xz equals to a raised to the y times x plus z. Here we have the same basis, so we can write that 2xz equals to y times x plus z. So this becomes if we divide both sides with x plus z here and x plus z here, so you have that y equals the fraction of 2 times xz over x plus z, and this is what we should find. I hope you understand it. It was really easy. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.